How are you doing today? Another open house walkthrough tour here for you. Today it's 2716 Moncayo Avenue in the Villages. This is not far from Spanish Springs. It's a patio villa. Most of patio villas, you can tell, because you have this little patio up front. The courtyard villas are typically at an angle, and they have a larger back area and patio out back. See, here is nicely furnished, and that's a great point because this one is turnkey. And this is the energy efficient laminate windows, and it is tinted. Come in here, the luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Nice open floor plan with the vaulted ceilings. As we come in here, you see right away we have the dining area, chandelier flowing in just past the side patio into the living room and the kitchen. And these cabinets here, these white ones like this, see here, are the more upgraded cabinets as well. All white appliances, and this area is all electric. Some areas do come with gas. They did do some upgrades on, again, not only on the flooring, but the paint. As you can see, the accent wall here in the kitchen. The roof was just put on in 2020. The HVAC system is new as of 2013. So we're heading to the small hallway here. They have this nice little linen closet here. It's pretty deep, and you can actually fit more shelving up in there as well. Standard with 4 usually. To the guest bath. Matching laminate countertops. And here in the shower, they do have personal pull down shower head. Alright, heading into the guest bedroom, bedroom 2. Just love the furniture they have in here. Not exactly sure where it's from. It's a good sized bedroom. See, it's a queen size bed. You have a nice lamp and chest of drawers in here. These closets are standard over 25 inches. So this way, if ever you decide you have, if you want to put any cabinets in the closet, you are able to as well. Swing around here into the master bedroom. See, it's a bit larger. And this is a queen size. Could comfortably fit a king size bed as well, with furniture in here. And we got the walk-in closet in here. And the master bath with a small step-in shower. Another look at the master. Questions on this, then you can call 352-403-3730. Email MatthewLong@kw.com. Everywhere on social media at Matt Long Realtor. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll head on out here. Another look at the living area and walk through the garage. See here in the kitchen, they also do have this pantry in the kitchen. It's really nice. This model here does have washer and dryer in the garage and a sprinkler system. This is actually a little bit more advanced sprinkler system. I think this one, and don't quote me on it, I think this one actually might be able to connect to a smart device if you had the antenna for it. See here, the newer HVAC system. Now you see there's kind of a cutout here. If you have a smaller car, most people can fit the golf cart here and a smaller car here as well, just depending on how you sort of storage you want out here in the garage. One last look at the interior.